16, paper 2, question 2, also set 2013, question 4. Solve the equation 2 log x minus log x minus 2 is equals to 2 log 3. So this is direct. You express the 2 first as what? Powers. So we'll have log x squared minus log x minus 2 is equals to log 3 squared. Then what follows is the quotient rule. So hapa itakuwa x squared over the whole of this bracket x minus 2. Remember now at this stage we always drop the logarithms. So it is x minus 2 equals to what? This is 3 squared, which is 9. Then we do the cross multiplication. So we'll have x squared is equals to 9x minus 18. You can see that this one is a quadratic equation. So what follows is expressing that or writing that equation in the form that it is supposed to be. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So this will be x squared, hii ikuje huku, minus 9x, hii pia ikuje huku, itakuwa sasa plus 18 is equals to 0. Then from there we solve the equation. So I'll use the factor method. You can use the quadratic formula. So here you ask yourself, the sum is negative 9. Two terms, when we add we get negative 9. When we multiply two terms we get 18. So you can see the terms either 6 or 3. So we can have 6, or let me say 3 and 6. 3 and 6. But 3 plus 6 is positive 9. So both must be negative. Negative 6 plus negative 3 plus negative 6 is negative 9. Negative 3 times negative 6 is positive 18. So you express this one in form of, you express negative 9x in form of 3 and 6. So the easiest way ni kwamba after you found the terms, you just separate them. If the coefficient of x is 1, you just separate. The first product will be x minus the first term, or plus what is here. So it is x plus negative 3, which is the same as x minus 3. Then the second bracket is x minus 6. This one is equals to 0. Then we said if this is the case, then it means that we are multiplying two numbers and getting 0. Inamaanisha either of that number is 0. So we say either x minus 3 is 0 or x minus 6 is 0. If this is true, then x is 3 and so x here is 6. So the solution to our x here is x3 and x6. But now let's look at the question. Which of the two is the valid solution to our question? Kumbuka tumesema that logarithms can only, or we can only find the logarithms of positive values. Hapa tumeambiwa it is log x minus 2. This is log x. So we can find the logarithm of 3. We can still find the logarithm of 1. So all these are solutions. So our x is 3 and our x is 6 are the valid solutions to this equation. So what do we mean here? We said first of all express the 2 as powers. Then that is the product rule. Do the cross multiplication, then form a quadratic equation. Solve it with the factors negative 3 and negative 6, or you can use a quadratic formula if that seems easier to you, or simpler. Then we'll find that x is 3 and x is equals to 6. So those two are the solutions to our equation.